Cheerio broke the fence, so we're going to try and do a bit of blocking tonight with some big containers called IBCs, not Iron Brew Crew, not sure what it stands for. Big containers that we used to use for water, I think. I think we got them from, what's it called? Aaron Aromatics. But they're in the field. It might be hard to move because they've been in the field since 2016, something like that, and they're going to be overgrown, so hopefully we'll be able to get to them and move them so that we can block the broken fence and keep it safe. Oh.
Huh? What? Do you think they'll come through that gap?
Maybe force it through. So we've got 3 of these. We're going to put along here. Hopefully that will keep them from getting out. 3 little IBCs sitting in a row. Should do the trick. Who's that coming? Are you the fence wrecker?
Good boy.
And here's the boys.
Stop. Hey.
Tea time. Tea time, boys.
No, don't put that in your mouth. Good boy. Max, don't do that, darling. Look what you've done. Good boys. Where's good boys?
So we had just enough time.
I think I'll do that for now. I'll feed them out here away from over there, because the problem there was as well that they were hanging around still and then they saw the hay. Come on, oh, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. Oh, beautiful boys.
What a day, huh?
Oh, what a day indeed. You can let that one out. Coco doesn't get much at all, just something to make her think she's eaten something. She doesn't need it, do you, Miss Coco?